Okay, so last night it was minus 32, and today, right now, it's about minus 14, and it just got to that temperature, so it's still probably freaking freezing in those tents, but going to go start up the diesel, and we got about 8 inches in some spots, 4 inches in others, and temporary, just do a little bit of plowing. I'll do more next week, but we'll see how that goes, and just taking a break from working on the wood stove backing, and then maybe cement work today. Well, with how cold it is out here, I'm going to take the torch and warm up the cylinder head, I think. I'm not even going to try starting it right now, but just got to grab some stuff out of here. Brr. Well, I do got some power coming in here at least. 23 volts coming in. 13.6, that's good. So, battery's nice and frosted up on this thing here. That's just from the same solar panel as that. I picked up another one, so, whew, cold. That's cold on the hands. Well, this was outside in minus 30 weather, the torch, but it should light still. Okay, well, see what happens. Door's a little frozen. Okay, so the battery's nice and frosty. See how stiff she is. Well, it turns over way better than last night. I was out here last night and I could barely pull that. But I'm still going to warm up the cylinder head with the torch a bit, just so we're not cranking for an hour. Or like 3 minutes like last time. Okay, so torch is a no-go. It's too frozen, won't even light. Just literally hear a second of air and it shuts off. It just goes pops. So that's not going to work. Make sure that's off all the way. I'll have to bring that in. Okay. So I guess we'll push it out. It does turn over better than last night, so it has been warming up a bit. So don't be trying it yet. Don't cheat. I'll open up this side and we'll push it out. It should go. I think she's a little frozen to the carpet. Might have to rethink that idea. Yeah, it should go now. Okay. That's a bitch. I'll get you to hold mine too, Logan. Just hold both of them.
I'll just use yours.
Yeah, okay. Try to stand back a fair distance. I'm going to hold down the compression release at the beginning. Just to get it spinning faster first, and then I'll release the compression. And now I'm going to release it. There's the first fire, colder than last time. You guys ever cold?
Yeah.
Firing nicely. Couple good backfires. I thought it would have been for sure good. Not quite warm enough yet. I got no anti. No, keep it on there. I got no anti-gel in there. I gotta put the anti-gel mixture. There we go. See that? She is cold.
Yeah.
I gotta get some anti-gel in there too. Finally, we got some snow worthy of playing in. I want to let her run to make sure she's not going to gel up. Being minus 30 last night, that fuel is probably pretty jelly, I'm thinking. Huh? Yep. Here's that chooching. Little bit of a leakage happening there. No signs of it leaking in here, so the tank still shows it's full. She was a little frozen down. That's the engine that I got to bring inside. Well, I'm going to let that run for a few minutes, and then I'm going to do a little bit of plowing, so I'll catch it on tape. And remember, after 5 minutes, it's going to restart, so try to keep it. Now remember, the engine might be warm now, but the transmission still is going to be sticky. So expect it to suck for the first few minutes.
Well, we'll see how this goes.
Oh, that's rock solid.
Yeah. We gotta watch how deep that snow gets. Only takes a foot to mess up with everything. And it's just a pain to get rid of.